Hi, this is Gary Kay. We're here at CEDIA 2023, and I'm here with Mandy Beckner, who is the Vice President of Training and Education for CEDIA, the association. And we should get that out of the way right away. There's CEDIA Expo, we're at CEDIA Expo, but CEDIA Association is the association that sort of like helps the industry grow and do great things, and you're heading up the educational initiatives. Talk about what you've done here on site.
Well, here during the show, we have a conference program. And that conference program is a blend of technical education, business education, project management, anything to uplift the industry. There's thought leadership things about content, technology, design, immersive audio, and there's also technical education like rack building.
And obviously the core industry people go to education. I mean, I've always been a big proponent of, like, if you're going to come to a trade show, you should go to one class, like at least one class, because you're missing out on an opportunity to get educated. And a lot of the brands do education too, right?
They do. They also have manufacturer product training, which is a good balance. We need that in the industry. Yeah. What makes the CEDIA content different is that it's agnostic. It's also the place to come and explore messy problems that we don't have a solution for yet, in a community that's also interested in doing that for the health of their business and for the economics overall.
And what about a certification? You do have a certification program, right?
We do. We have an accredited certification program. We have 4 certifications, 2 of them are accredited. This is to help people on their career pathway from being a technician and doing cable terminations and pulling cable and infrastructure, all the way to doing things like integrated systems, rack design, rack build, audio and visual systems, that immersive environment where your clients really care about the creative intent of the content that they're consuming, and they need a space that is up to par for that delivery.
So beyond the show, if I'm a member of a CEDIA association, or maybe I'm not a member, I think one of the big benefits of membership is actually the education. So I don't come to the show, or the show's only once a year. What do I get?
There's different kinds of content for you. So conferences are perfect for hearing from the peers and elevating our members in the industry. But what about that core curriculum? That how do we do our jobs? What are the processes we have to know? How do we get better at our businesses, both technically and on the business side? We have online training programs for that in our CEDIA Academy. We have courses that we call local learnings. These are courses that we bring around the United States and even beyond the United States.
How many places around the
We have 9 different places right now. But then we also have things globally in Australia and in India and in Europe. So we are growing in our...
In fact, I saw a recent release about some of your stuff being translated in a couple of different languages beyond English.
That is true. We're doing a lot of things, and we have partners worldwide who help us do that. And the partnerships in education are really key. Education partners like learning institutions, trade school partners, other associations, and alliances. We also develop standards, so we're not just teaching on things because we think it's a good idea. It's been standardized either by de facto standards or recommended practices, and we work with a lot of allies to make sure that that is correct and current.
So what if I'm a new person to the industry and I don't even know where to start? Do you have like a beginner class that somebody could jump right into?
We do. We have something that's called New Hire Training, and we take all of our best-in-class stuff and we put it in one learning opportunity for you, one journey. So you can become a member of CEDIA if you choose to. That's $99 to become an individual member, just to try things out. And that gives you discount pricing for our textbooks or for our online course that I just mentioned. You can get your feet wet, see what's in it for you, and then reach out to the other members of the community. This network of people is here to support your success. I know that sounds silly, and we should be competitors, but no, this industry is not like that. We are a family, we have a lot to do to grow, we have a lot to do to grow our workforce, and we're all in it together.
This new hire training, how long does it take to go through that?
That is several months long training. You pace yourself.
So it's pretty comprehensive.
It's comprehensive. It's self-paced, so you don't have to take it all at once, but it's so that you can search it and find the things you need in the time that you need them. You might not have to take it all the way through from A to Z. You might be looking for something very specific that's in the middle, and that's perfectly okay. We want you to be able to control your learning journey.
But wouldn't it be a good idea for them to require that of their new hire?
Oh, wouldn't it though? And also then the certification that goes along with that would be fantastic. We do have a lot of people who will recommend this to their trade, and also manufacturers who will support integrators by helping them pay for the training that they need or support them in getting certified. So if you do your training, then your manufacturer partner will help you become certified. They also help you maintain your certification. There's another place for that manufacturer product training. They get their training accredited for credits, continuing education credits with CEDIA.
Continuing education.
Then they can renew their certifications, yes.
All right, so where do I get all this information? Where do I go?
you go to CEDIA.net. Come on over and we have everything for you. Or you can contact me. I'm on LinkedIn, Mandy Beckner, and I'd be happy to be your concierge.
All right, not CEDIA.com, CEDIA.net. CEDIA.net. All right, thanks for watching, everyone, and see all of our CEDIA 2023 coverage at raypubs.com.